Astronauts, Butch and Suni Williams. Willmore cashes in no overtime when stranded in space. In reality, the two veteran astronauts who flew back Earth. March 18th is 9 months in orbit. Were receiving their usual pay. NASA informed citizens through a press release. March 19th, when NASA astronauts are aboard International Space Station, they receive standard 40-hour week wages. They are receiving, do not receive overtime or holiday, weekend pay. And although they have an out-of-this-world, career astronauts are still federal workers and are considering the regular traveling facilities, the statement adds. While on space, NASA are subject to government travel restriction as federal employees. So their transport, accommodation, and food are provided. They also are on long-term TDY temporary duty and receive the incidentals, accumulate for every day that they are in space. The amount of incidentals is scaled down by the share required for the distance of the trip per federal travel laws. While 59-year-old Suni and 62-year-old Butch salaries has not been disclosed. The compensation rate for astronauts come under the federal government's Gs 1 through Gs 14 pay scale, as estimating their pay scale from being $84,365 to around $152,000, based on their experience, as with their incidentals to other astronaut Katie Coleman. It may be as low as a couple dollars a day. Katie, who served their International Space Station in 2010 and 2011, reported the Washingtonian. There is some small amount of money a day for miscellaneous that they find themselves being legally bound to pay for me. It was around $4 a day. If the same is done to Bud and Suni's mission, they can end up with a more $1,144 on top of their annual salary. Butch and Suni, who each have logged 3 space flights in their lifetime, spent a combined total of 286 days, more than their intended 8-day mission, on the first side of the legendary Space Explorers. As they exited the Dragon spacecraft in Florida, customers were keen on the reason why the couple were wheeled off in stretchers, a traditional practice for people having been in space, as they can walk back when they come back after flow zero gravity for an extended period of time. Former NASA senior scientist John Ditt told Life Science, many of them do not wish to be taken out on a stretcher, but are told that they have to be.